Okay, so what we're doing is we're going to take this connector out and put a new one in, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So first I'm going to show you the new connector, and this is actually one of the most simple connectors there are, and it's just this screw-on connector and the hot wire or the center wire of your volume control, the hot wire of your element goes to the center of the connector and will be soldered there, and that's your connection. So that's all. And the ground connection is actually the connector itself, the outside. So somewhere inside the shell there is the ground is connected to the shell, and the shell is connected to the connector, making this a ground, and the center is your hot. So okay, first we take the microphone and we're going to deinstall the connector. First of all, what you need is a soldering iron, of course, and we're going to desolder the center of the connector. So first I'm going to heat it up a little bit, not too hot, and then when everything is, I shake it out. So you didn't see that, but I just heat up the solder, and then when it's hot and flowing, I shake it out. You can see that the little wire is visible there. I'm going to cut loose the wire inside the connector. So now the wire is loose. You have to find the right Allen key. Take out the screw, like so, like that. And now the connector comes undone. Make sure that the wire is disconnected. It's still a little bit, but let me see if I can get it undone, like that. So this is your old connector. And then you have this wire coming out, and the new connector just goes in like this, like that. You see? Put in the new connector, like so. Put the screw back in. Make it really tight, like so. And if you want to, you can put some extra Loctite on the connector before you put it in. All right. So then the wire goes in. Make sure that the wire already has some solder on it, and then solder the whole thing like so, and then cut off some of the wire that's too long. Finish it off. Put a nice ball on it. There it is. You don't even have to open the microphone to do this.